Today I'm going to demonstrate how to rejuvenate an overgrown cane-type begonia. So to start with, I'm going to trim back these canes. I'm going to pull this recently cut back plant out. Some of it has died off over the summer, so I'm going to pull off that little bit of stem. I chose to cut it where I did because it's just above a node. There's a plant node right there on the stem, and that's where new growth will come out. I am going to break up the root ball just to allow for some fresh soil. So I'm going to start out putting some soil in the bottom of the pot. So I'm just orienting it so that the stems are sticking upright and settling the soil in a little around it. Not packing the soil down, just pressing a little to make sure that it's filled up all of the empty spaces. I'm going to give it about that much fertilizer. This is a slow time release fertilizer. I'm going to water it in. And we know that it's gone all the way through when it starts dripping out the bottom of the pot. They grow quickly, so this should fill out quickly, and then we have a new rejuvenated Morocco begonia.